This assessment asks us what type of reaction is occurring here, an oxidation or a reduction, based on what's happening to the organic molecule. Now, we might remember that hydrogenation, which this reaction is a reduction, but how could we figure that out? Well, we can do that by calculating oxidation numbers. And since we're essentially turning two alkenes into alkanes, we're only going to do it for one of the double bonds, and that will give us the answer. All right, so let's start by calculating the oxidation number here. There are 1, 2, 3 bonds to carbon, so the oxidation number from that in terms of the electrons that carbon keeps is 0. Hydrogen's oxidation number will be +1 since it's less electronegative than carbon. Carbon is -1. So again, 0, 0, 0. The hydrogen makes this carbon -1. So we can do the same thing over here for this carbon, this bond, and this bond all make carbon 0. This hydrogen is once again +1. This carbon is -1. If we come over to those same two carbons in the product, what's changed? We now have two hydrogens, +1 each, which is going to make this carbon -2. This carbon and this carbon make this carbon 0. This carbon and this carbon will make this carbon 0. Each of these two hydrogens that are +1 will make this carbon -2. So if we look at what's happening to the carbons, we're going from a net -2 oxidation to a net -4 oxidation. That's a gain of 2 electrons, which means this is a reduction.